Keep your home hygienically clean with the Ewbank Steam Dynamo Plus Steam Cleaner. It's perfect for busy households with kids and pets, as it cleans 99.99% of all common household bacteria. It doesn't use any harsh chemicals either, so it's great if you're trying to make your cleaning routine a little more natural and eco-friendly. It's ready to go in just 12 minutes. One tank can give you 45 minutes of high-pressure steam on demand. It's ideal for sanitizing the kitchen and the bathroom, as well as tackling those sticky spillages and the dog's favorite sleeping spot. The floor head can be used on all floor types, from sealed hard floors such as lino and tiles to carpets and rugs. But the best part has to be the accessories. There are so many tools to make cleaning every surface a doddle. The Wallpaper steamer is perfect for those weekend decorating jobs. The turbo brush is perfect for cleaning the oven, as the center of the brush rotates to loosen up grease and grime, making a very messy job absolutely effortless. And there is the stainless steel barbecue brush for when the sun is back out and those burgers and sausages are firmly back on the menu. It's also got the standard accessories you'd expect to find, such as a couple of extension tubes, so you can steam clean those hard to reach areas. So if you're looking for something that will keep your surfaces sanitized and your home hygienically clean, look no further than the Ewbank Steam Dynamo Plus Steam Cleaner.